Your search for prime living ends here. Welcome to the abode of happiness. Welcome to Protect Prime. Strategically located at a central location of Guwahati, from where schools, hospitals, banks, restaurants, and grocery shops are within a close proximity. The exquisite location offers manifold advantages, having excellent connectivity with frequent bus routes, railways, and auto stands. Live an idyllic life amidst nature's lap, yet stay connected to your world. Now that's what you call convenience. Protect Prime is a convenient living haven. A residential property, Protect Prime has 128 flats, each having a perfect corner. A home crafted on the premise where, if family and friends want to gather, there would be enough place for everyone. From lush open spaces to elegant interiors, Protect Prime is both a home and a lifestyle, a world of its own within Guwahati. With years of experience, the builders have delivered large format developments offering affordable state-of-the-art facilities, maintaining a true standard of premium quality. Three BHK apartments are available with plenty of open space for you to enjoy nature to the fullest. Queen-sized comfortable bedrooms, separate bedrooms for kids and guests, modern kitchens, spacious washrooms, a mix of activity and leisure, of sports and serenity, designed for every single member of the family from the youngest to the oldest. All amenities at Protect Prime are planned to perfection. Gift yourself a new address of bliss and welcome to the home of convenience and camaraderie. Come, let's celebrate this prime lifestyle.